Wait na, para sa chick.
Sige ko na ito mga kalokis.
Housemates!
Gusto mong robe?
Rope?
Oo.
Skipping rope?
Robe.
Rope! It's okay.
Grabe ka?
Biglang yung drama. No, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I will take a buzz.
Ba't gusto mo?
Hiling tayo mamaya.
Talaga?
After this hit.
Huwag.
Okay, after this hit. After this hit. After this hit.
Could you?
Speakers.
Huh? Speakers? What's up?
Play lang. So hard. Hey.
Sorry, I'm a girlfriend who's so cold.
Check ng phone. Oras.
It's a bad habit of mine. Every morning, first thing I do is look at my phone.
It has everything on it. Has the time, my alarm clock's on it.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Check if I got any.
I use my clock as an alarm clock because I can't wake up with my phone. It's hard.
Ako minsan.
Minsan I'll have the clock and my phone.
Oh, Divine.
Ako minsan set ko 3 beses.
Grabe.
Masakit ka?
No.
Sino po na ako kagabi?
May snooze tapos
Ubo ka gabi kaya?
Kaya,
ano?
na lagay ko siya sa bed mo, alam niya yung sleep pattern mo. Kasi di ba, pag gumagal ka, magbabounce siya. Tapos gigisingin ka niya sa yung pagising ka na.
Oo.
May peak-peak yun. Like, if, di ba minsan wake up na sobrang groggy ka na.
Yeah.
Tapos minsan pag gising mo, parang okay ka na kagad. Yun yung habulin niya, yung pagising ka na, doon ka niya gigising.
Oh, yeah?
Pero may may parang 30-minute window
An
na
hour
yun.
and 30.
So parang kung 7:30 yung latest wake-up call mo, if hindi ka pa umabot doon sa 7:30, gigisingin ka niya talaga sa 7:30.
Excuse me.
Kung within, sabihin natin 7, nandun ka na.
May hair in my
sleeping towel nila yun. Gigisingin ka na niya.
Oh, wow.
So the REM patterns.
REM pattern.
Heard about that.
But the REM, rapid eye movement, deep sleep. How does it measure your eye movement? Kasi if sobrang lalim yung tulog mo, hindi ka gumagalaw. Parang something like that. So, di ba may motions?
Katulad nung hindi gumagalaw na glass or whatever. Hindi niya mararamdaman yung bed.
Oh, if you...
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Dapat may setting siya na i-test mo dapat anong pinakatama na calibration. Which is
also, what I would do is I would find out like what time I'm going to sleep, and I would find out when I should wake up, and I would just set my alarm to that time. And it works. Like I'd wake up like, wow.
Oh yeah. Usually, if I have nothing to do the next day, I don't set an alarm clock. Gising ako. Hindi ako nag-aalam. Sa Cebu, hindi ako nag-aalam. Gising ka agad. Kaya? Automatic. Mga around 8.
Hindi pwede yun sa akin. Nilalagay ko sa drawer yung phone ko. Kasi kinukuha ng mga aso ko. Minsan, kinagat niya kaya yung iPhone ko. Pati yung mga ibang phone ko. Yung baby ko, may gasgas kaya kagat-kagat.
Yung baby ko?
Baby ko. Baby.
May mas maganda pa ngayon. Set up mo yung phone and may accessory talaga siya na bracelet. Kung gusto mo talaga na. App siya, pero bibilin mo yung bracelet.
It's cool.
Tapos, pag yung bracelet link sa phone mo, so habang natutulog ka, kuhang-kuha talaga.
It's legit.
Ayoko yun. Sarap matulog yun.
But sometimes...
Nilalay mo ko sa akin yung alarm ko para mapipilitan ako.
Pareho lang yun eh. Off.
Oo, ganon. Hindi ko na kailangan isipin na.
Like, sometimes you have those days where you wake up and you're really, really tired.
Oh, hindi
Kahit
ka-
you had so much sleep.